Rain and storms across the area right now. Temperatures will be close to 60 degrees. And with that warm front around, the chance for some isolated strong storms, mainly south of I-80. And then a cold blast of air arrives tonight, and it's going to be very windy, especially after about 8-9 p.m. and it stays windy through parts of tomorrow. Then we're talking snow tomorrow morning, some patchy light snow likely as that cold blast of air moves in. It is much colder. And so here's the thing with the roads tomorrow morning. Because we have very windy conditions, that usually dries out our surfaces. And because our surfaces are pretty mild, because we've had this mild pattern all of last week, I think it will be okay on our roads, but can't rule out the chance for some isolated slick spots as that snow is falling and our temperatures are quickly falling as well. Visibility right now down to about half a mile at O'Hare, 4-mile visibility at Midway. So we've been kind of in and out of some dense fog that does continue here this morning. 55 degrees right now at Midway, 60 in Bradley and Kankakee County. But then areas north, notice McHenry and O'Hare are at 49 degrees. We are on the very northern edge of the chance to have some stronger storms. The Storm Prediction Center has put us at some areas. So the very southern parts of Kankakee and the very southern parts of Lake and Porter in northwest Indiana under a level 2 out of 5 for severe weather. This is where we could potentially see a little bit of spin for a very short amount of time, but there is that possibility. It's not a zero chance to have a quick little storm that rotates. But the main concern, if we do have a stronger storm, is going to be the gusty wind. Here's a look at satellite and radar combined to show you that we already have some storms brewing in the area, and we'll have another round come in here later this morning and into the early parts of the afternoon. A lot of us seeing light to moderate rainfall north of I-80, south of I-80 is where we have some storms right now in Kankakee County, parts of Will County, and now moving into northwest Indiana. We have some thunder, some lightning, some gusty wind associated with some of those storms. So here's a look at futurecast. 11 a.m. we have those pockets of heavy downpours still around and the chance for some storms. As we continue the clock here to show you 1 p.m. we still have the chance for showers and thunderstorms. Watching here as we go through the afternoon, it's mainly looking like at this point it is an isolated chance for a shower or thunderstorm and an isolated chance for a stronger storm as well around 4 p.m. Then as we head through the evening hours, that strong cold front moves in. 3 in the morning, light snow showers are possible. 6 in the morning tomorrow, patchy light snow. Temperatures are close to 20 degrees. And then the best we do, because that cold air just keeps moving in, is the mid-20s here on Monday. Wind chill values with the very windy conditions anywhere from 5 below to 5 above in the morning, and then in the afternoon anywhere from 5 to 15 is what it's going to feel like. Here's a look at our wind gusts to show you that as we head through the overnight hours, gusts between 40 to 45, maybe at times close to 55 miles per hour. So some very windy conditions. That is why we are under an AccuWeather alert on Monday. Gusts 45 to 55 is enough to break tree branches, enough to break down some smaller trees. So something to keep in mind for tomorrow, and then close to 20 as we ring in the new year.
All right, Jaisol, keep us posted. And remember, you can get the latest forecast anytime with the free ABC7 Chicago News app.